Hey, I'm Joe from Screw Innovations with another Night Power Sports product. I want to show you our PVC mount that can be mounted anywhere and display your phone in any direction. You can see it right here on a kayak. It allows you to mount it to any surface and orient your phone in any direction you want. This is the mounting puck screwed down, and then the PVC cut to size for the Safebox there. Over here we have it on a Polaris Sportsman. Again, the mounting puck, the PVC coming up in whatever orientation you want. Over here we have it on a Can-Am Maverick. We have our clamp that goes to the roll cage, the PVC cut to size again there. And then over here we have it on our Can-Am Renegade. We actually have two mounting pucks here, just a different design. You can put it in any way you'd like. Head over to nightatv.com to pick yours up today.